Hi everyone, welcome to Infinity Capital. My name is Raj. So today we are going to talk about a auto ancillary company. So just to give you a big picture guys, auto and auto ancillary companies have struggled since 2017 and 18 because most of these companies reached their peak sales, peak profits, and from there they started sort of going down. So these stocks went spiraling down into a multi-year correction. If you see, this stock sort of corrected around 84-85%. They went through a multi-year correction, and now it looks like this sector is ready to start its next up move. So we are going to talk about FIME Industries today. This company makes automotive lighting, signaling equipments, rear view mirrors for two-wheelers and four-wheelers. So what's interesting is that this company has 27 to 30% of market share for two-wheeler headlamp in India. And their customers are Honda, Yamaha, TVS, all the top-notch companies, you know. So what are the products that they make? They make automotive lamps, headlamps, tail lamps, blinkers, rear view mirrors, plastic molded parts. So this is some of the stuff they make, and they have strategic partnership with some of the top companies in the world. So they have a collaboration with Toyo Densko from Japan. Then they have another collaboration with Toyota Tushoho. So they've made some big collaborations to make these products, and so this is the product mix. 42% of their revenue comes from automotive lamp, 26% comes from LED lamps, 11% comes from the mirrors, and another 11% comes from plastic molded parts, and 10% comes from the other products. So this is what the basic overview of the company is. So we are on the website of the company. We'll go click on the product section, and you will see that they have LED automotive lamps, rear view mirrors, canisters. They make indoor lightings, outdoor lightings, IPIS for railways. As far as their facilities are concerned, so they have 9 manufacturing facilities, and the facilities are in Haryana, Tamil Nadu. So these, if you see, these facilities are spread all across India. There is a reason for this. This is a strategic thing, because most of the uh, car or two-wheeler manufacturers are also sort of located in the 4 zones of the country. Hence they have to be very strategically located to supply these parts. They also have an R&D center wherein they are constantly doing research and development of new products. So let's do a quick fundamental check, guys. It's a micro cap company, 869 crores, and the only 24%, 25% of the shares is out with public to trade. Promoters hold a good number of shares, as well as there is good participation from the FII, so that's encouraging. Cash flows are good, 200 crores. Operating cash flow looks very good. They have been able to minimize their borrowings, which is very, very good. If you see, in 2017, they were having 225 crores of borrowing, which has come down to 61 crores. So decreasing borrowing leads to less interest payments, and that increases the profits of the company. Another thing which is noteworthy is, if you will see, that their gross block has been increasing. It has almost doubled since 2016, which means that the company has probably done capacity expansion, either a brownfield or a greenfield. So if you want to do a long-term investment, you could do more in-depth analysis here. This in turn has doubled their depreciation as well. So when you are putting up a capacity, your depreciation increases, but unless the capacity becomes 100% operational, you are not going to see more sales and more profit. So once these capacities become operational, you will see that suddenly the sales have started going up, and the profits will also rise. So let's quickly check the profit and loss. If we see sales are stuck pretty much in this range, as I was talking earlier, that these companies reached the top of their cycle. Even autos reached the top of their cycle where growth was unsustainable at those growth levels, and hence sort of industry topped out. So now we see some sort of consolidation happening. The sales are pretty much in 1100 crore range, and the profits are also between 30 to 70 crore range. So now that the industry has gone through this whole consolidation and down cycle, I expect that the industry will see a new upcycle starting in the next 1 to 2 years, and we can profit from this new upcycle. Also, the interest rates have been slashed. Your car loans and bike loans are available at very cheap interest rates now, so this in turn will actually kick in demand, and we can see a increase in sales and profits in these companies. Quarter on quarter, the sales increased but the profits dipped, so there's nothing much to talk about right now over here. Let's do a quick analysis on the PE front. So the median PE of the stock is 18, and the stock is trading around that same PE level. So now what we want to look for, we want to look for increasing sales and increasing profit, so that will propel the stock higher. Let's look at the technical aspect of this stock. This stock made a low in during COVID times, last year COVID crash, and it is up around 230%. And now if you see, it has been consolidating in this range. So I will be a buyer in this range on all dips. I will be accumulating this stock, and I will be also concentrating on the earnings to see how the earnings are progressing, and continue to hold it if profits are coming in. Let's quickly look at the daily chart on the left. The 50 days sideways trying to turn upwards, 200 days upwards. So basically the stock is consolidating in this area, and it is a good accumulation zone. So I'll be accumulating this stock between this area, between this zone between 639 and 574, and look for a 30 to 40% upside from here. A lot of auto ancillary stocks have been consolidating since the past 7 to 8 months, and once the lockdown opens up and the sales start to rise, we can see a good traction in these companies. Quick disclaimer guys, this is not a buy sell recommendation. This video is for educational purposes only, and please consult your financial advisor to buy and sell shares. Thanks a lot guys.